Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, working on a Toyota Camry. One of the great features that we have the ability to do is that we do not have to print the diagnostic to you, or if you're sitting and waiting, we can actually send it via text. So I'm going to give you a demonstration. There's nobody's information up here. So we're going to hit this button right here, and you can see we can email it, or we can literally text it to the customer, and now they have it on their phone or on their computer or both. This is just an enhancement we do for customers, so they can actually see what we see on the diagnostic machine of the codes. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This is an otofix Pro. I will have it in the description. Very good, made by Autel. It has the same features as the 906 BT, but half the cost, and it's the exact same company, except it's just a different name, and it's 10 inches. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.